Your software can't find its instructions because the Microsoft Foundation class 140 Unicode Submodule 1 DLL is gone. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll show you exactly how to restore that connection. Avoid long manual edits from Microsoft Foundation class 140 Unicode Submodule 1 by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Microsoft Foundation class 140 Unicode Submodule 1, an updated variant of the extended MFC runtime for Visual Studio 2015 to 2022 that delivers newer UI elements and compatibility fixes for recently compiled binaries. It ensures proper dependency resolution for newer builds. If missing, applications may fail during initialization and display errors such as 0.0.0.07b. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This issue is typically resolved by refreshing the Microsoft Visual C++ installation. Download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables directly from Microsoft and run the setup to repair the runtime. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Microsoft Foundation, Class 140 Unicode Submodule 1. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. If you're attempting to install Microsoft Foundation Class 140 Unicode Submodule 1 DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Microsoft Foundation Class 140 Unicode Submodule 1 Management. If we successfully synchronize the missing library from Microsoft Foundation Class 140 Unicode Submodule 1 today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.